Hi guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can add an admin to your Facebook page. Keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated the last version available. After that, sync into your account and you'll be redirected to the home page where posts from your friends are displayed. Here's what you need to do. Access your page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, which opens a menu. Navigate to your page, tap on Pages and then switch to the target page. You can switch by selecting the page and then tapping Switch at the bottom. Once inside your page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then select the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Navigate to the page setup, tap under the audience hiding and open it. Now tap on View next to Page Access and New Admin select Add New at the top of the screen. Then tap Next. Search for the target account you want to add as an admin. For this tutorial, I'm going to search for Lola, but you need to specifically look for the target account. Select the account. Once you have found the account, tap on Done. Scroll down a little bit, enable the admin feature, and then select Give Access. Confirm with the password. You will be prompted to enter your account password. Once you do this, the selected account will become an admin. That's basically how you can add an admin to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching.